Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. I'm so excited today because today is the last video in this series here in electrons and atoms. So let's get moving. Bam! So we're going to do the electron configuration, orbital box diagram, quantum numbers for uranium-92. I love uranium. We're going to do some other things here with uranium as well. So, here we go. Uranium is Z of 92. What I want you to do, after I give you the directions, that is pause the video, write out the electron configuration using the noble gas notation. Try to write it in the order that you write it. Try to write it in the order of actual filling with lowest numbers first, lowest principal quantum numbers first. Then I want you to do the orbital box diagram. Figure out, is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Okay, and then restart the video and let's see where you left it off at. Hopefully you got it all correct. This is our last one here, so you should be really on your way. So, here we go. There's the noble gas notation of uranium. That's radon and a 7s2, 61, 5f3. That's noble gas notation, that whole thing right over there. Okay, there it is in the order of filling. That is lowest energy first. That's why the 5 is interior, then the 6, then the 7. The 7 is on the outside. That should tell you also that uranium is in the boot. That's 2 valence electrons, that's 7s2. I'll come back to that in just a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to do the orbital box diagram here of uranium. So, orbital box diagram using the noble gas notation. I've got a 7s2. That's up, that's down. Boom, done with that part. Then there's a 61. Bam! That's that one right there. Then there's a 5f3. That's 1, 2, 3. Awesome. I love that. Okay, so how many valence electrons? We already covered that. And is this paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Well, it is paramagnetic because I've got actually 4 unpaired electrons. So uranium is attracted to a magnetic field. Okay, and how many valence electrons? We already did that. That is 2. Okay, now I'm going to circle an electron and then we're going to write out a set of 4 quantum numbers. So again, pause that video, give me the N, the L, the M sub L, and the M sub S value of that circled blue electron. Restart the video. Here we go, restarting, bam! Wow, that was fast. Okay, so restarting, here we go. So, these are the 4 quantum numbers. Okay, it's a 5F in the 5F orbital set, so therefore the N is 5, because it's 5F. Since it's an F-type orbital, that is an L of 3, because S is 0. P is 1, D is 2, F is 3 in number, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay? Now, if you look at that 5F in the orbital box diagram, if you go up from that, label that box as a 0. Then to the left of that, -1, -2, -3. What box is it in? It's in the M sub L box of -3. Okay, it's an upwards facing arrow. That's going to heaven. That's got to be positive. So that's a +1/2 of the M sub S value. So that should be nailed down pretty nicely. Cool. Okay. I do want to mention here something, and that is this is the actual electron configuration. There are some elements of which the predicted electron configuration and the actual configurations differ. And so that's another layer, a level of chemistry in which you need to get into. So a couple of examples of that are in the columns where chromium is, chromium, and also where silver is, where copper, silver, and gold are. So those have actual electron configurations which are not the predicted ones. Okay, I'm almost done with this video. I got one more crazy hair for you to end this. So wait for it. It's coming around the corner here. This is the last video in this series. I'm so excited about that. But here is the hair. We are done with all these videos. That's a whole bunch of videos. You are a master of some chemistry stuff now. So hold on. I'll be right back. When I'm in the party mood, this is the hat that I wear, which is the hair that I wear. This is my party hair. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the hair. Subscribe to my channel if you like the hair. Have a good day. See you next time for more chemistry, the next part of this unit. Subscribe.